Here is a perfect example of why underground drains and larger downspouts may not be the cure to fixing your landscaping washout problems. We got some problems here in this bed. You can see that when it's raining, these mulch beds are just getting beaten to death, and all this water is collecting and pooling. There's nowhere for it to go, probably messing up the foundation. Same thing here. We can see that the homeowner just filled this up with gravel because she was tired of it, all her mulch washing out on her sidewalks. So that was her solution. And then most likely at some point, maybe somebody made a solution to add bigger downspouts. That will be the cure. That will be the fix. It'll fix it. But until we, just like a sink, keep the drain from being clogged in the first place. At my house, I have a couple of teenage girls with hair. And if I don't have a sink strainer on my tub, that dumb tub is going to get clogged all the time. And it's so frustrating. I mean, I'm not the one losing the hair, but I got to suffer. So, what do? I make sure that strainer is there. So we're going to put a downspout filter in this gutter here. And then we're also going to do an underground drain, Roto-Rooter hydro jet flush. Do a geyser, figure out where it comes out. And my gut tells me that that will help the problem. And it will be better than nothing. More than likely, putting gutter guards over top of these gutters to keep the debris out from the first place probably would be best. But unfortunately, it doesn't matter what type of gutter guard you have. There is no maintenance-free solution out there. It doesn't exist. Regardless of what gutter you have or gutter guard you have, eventually down the road, someday, if you have trees next to your house, they're beautiful, but they're a pain in the butt. And you do have to do some maintenance over time, even if you have gutter guards. So it's not the end-all set it and forget it solution. Hope these videos help in people making maintenance decisions around their home. So just as a recap, what we're going to do at this home is get all the debris, the gutters cleaned out really good, collect all that, do a gutter tune-up, get that downspout filter in, underground drain, Roto-Rooter hydro jet flush. Should be good. Thanks so much.